Dennis here with doityourselfdennis.com, and I want to show you how to take this decal or sticker off of this truck. It's really pretty simple. Use a you don't want to use a heat gun, a professional heat gun. It's liable to mar the paint. What you'll want to do is you just use a hair dryer. Put it on high, and we'll see how it goes. It takes it off pretty easy. See how easy that's coming off? That's all there is to it. There might be a little bit of residue there, so you can get some Goo Gone or something like that and go over it just to get a little bit of the residue off, and then you should be fine. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos at doityourselfdennis.com.